I recently sailed on Royal Caribbean's Allure of the Seas, and I want to give you a tour of our ocean view balcony, room number 9304. My name's Scott, and welcome to Let's All Cruise. Now, as a first-time passenger on Royal Caribbean, I was very pleasantly surprised. This is a really nice room, and this ship is older. It launched in 2010, but I think it still looks great and it's really comfortable. There's only a couple of things that really give away the age of the ship. One of them definitely is this iPod dock, so do remember to bring your vintage iPod with you. There's no USBs, but there are these desktop outlets, and underneath the desks there's also a couple more, one US and one European. Now, to the right of those, there is this mini fridge, which actually did a really good job of cooling drinks. Now, we've also got 3 drawers. Top one is the hairdryer, which you can remove. Middle drawer is really deep, get a lot of clothes in there. Bottom drawer is not quite so deep. You've got the desk, the chair, a vanity mirror with a light that you can separately control. And just to the left of that, there's an extra cupboard as well. There's actually really great storage in this cabin. The interactive TV is by Samsung. It's 32 inches and it's on an arm. So if you want to watch TV in bed, you can swing it around and position it to do that. It also has a USB port on the side, and that's the only one in the room. And as long as the TV is on, you could use that to charge your device. Now, as you can see, the beds are separated here. Just let your room attendant know if you do want them connected together into a king. And underneath one of the beds, there is a single US outlet. Unfortunately, there are no other outlets or USBs by the bedside. The closet is a decent size with 5 storage shelves and a decent amount of hanging space as well. And there's an extra fold down hanger rack too. The mini safe is where you can keep some valuables. It is small though, so you're not going to be able to fit a laptop in, but you can definitely fit wallets, phones, jewelry, passports and so on. And there is a full-size mirror just to the left of the closet. But now let's take a look in the bathroom. The bathroom is great. It feels really premium. There's no nasty shower curtains. There's proper plastic doors on the shower enclosure here. And you just can see it feels kind of premium. It's quite a step up from my last cruise, which was on Discovery Princess, a ship that is only just over a year old. But the Royal Caribbean bathroom here from 2010 just blows that one away. It's quite an upgrade. I do have a cruise booked for next year on Sun Princess, which is a new princess ship, and I believe they have upgraded the bathrooms and gotten rid of the shower curtains. So I'm excited to try that out. If you want to see that review when it's published, subscribe to my channel. This bathroom has decent storage, and it also has one extra premium feature that I love, which is a night light. So when you get up in the middle of the night, you don't need to turn on the bathroom light because there's this light which is enough to see by without blinding you. Now, unfortunately, Royal have changed to only service rooms once a day, but we still did get towel animals, so it's not all bad. Now let's take a look at the balcony. It's beautiful and it's a decent size. It's about 53 square feet, which is actually about 50% bigger than recent Princess balconies, so compares very well. You do only get, though, a couple of chairs and a table. There's no footstool, and obviously these chairs don't recline, which is a bit of a shame. By the way, the glass dividers between each balcony can be opened, so if you are traveling with friends or family, just ask your room steward to do that. Now, this being an Oasis class ship, you've got a couple of other balcony options, including here on the boardwalk. But bear in mind there is less privacy and there's definitely more noise. If you want somewhere a little quieter but with some of the same vibe, Central Park balconies are also available. It's fun and different to take one of these rooms, but for me, I know what I like, and I like an ocean view. If you enjoyed this room tour, hit the subscribe button because I have videos coming soon showing you the whole ship, and I'll tell you exactly what I thought of it, the good and the bad. My name's Scott, and thank you for watching.